The area of the closed region bounded by the equation mod x plus mod y equal to 2. So if you have an idea of these kind of questions, you would solve. This is a very basic question on mod graphs. The best way to interpret these kind of questions is by just thinking in this way. For first thing you have to think is what happens if I change x to minus x. If you change x to minus x, nothing changes in this graph because mod of minus x is as good as mod of x, right? So that doesn't change anything. Same thing if you substitute y with minus y, then again minus y's mod is same as mod of y, right? So no change in the graph. So what does that imply? So what I mean to do by this thing is whatever is the graph in the first quadrant, because if you understand this, x to minus x will shift the graph from first quadrant to the second quadrant, as well as from the fourth quadrant to the third quadrant, right? So whatever is the graph looking like in the first quadrant, it should be symmetric in the second quadrant. Similarly, whatever is in the fourth quadrant should be symmetric in the third quadrant. And because this is also happening, I mean, when you substitute y with minus y, what is the meaning of substituting y with minus y? Whatever is in the second quadrant will be same in the third quadrant. That is, if the graph is not changing, or the function is not changing. So substituting y with minus y is just shifting from second quadrant to third quadrant, or from first quadrant to fourth quadrant, right? So in this case also there should be not any change. So if you understand this idea, this is very simple, because just by observing the graph you will figure these two things out. You don't even have to write this down. Now once you figure it out, all you have to do is figure out the graph in the first quadrant. So first quadrant is pretty simple because x is positive, y is positive. So you have the equation as x plus y equal to 2, right? Mod x will be x and mod y will be y. To be precise, it is non-negative and non-negative and non-negative x and y. So x plus y equal to 2 intersects at the point 2 and 2. So 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 in the first quadrant, right? So this is the line in the first quadrant. Now because of that symmetric nature, you can just complete the graph on each of the quadrants here. And this will be the graph of this particular function. Not a function actually, this relation, let's say. Now, what you have is the area is required. So area of the closed region is asked. Now, you can treat this as a square. I'll treat this as a quadrilateral. It is a square, it's even a rhombus, it's even a quadrilateral. For any quadrilateral, if the diagonals are intersecting at 90 degrees. So in this case, you can see that this diagonal and this diagonal are intersecting at 90 degrees, right? So if that happens, then the area can be figured out. One way to find the area will always be half into product of diagonals. So in this case, because it's a square, the diagonals will be equal in length also. You can quickly calculate that. Now this point is 0 comma 2 and this point is 0 comma minus 2, right? Because of the symmetric nature. So this length of the diagonal is 4. So because this is 4, this is also 4. You can even figure this out. So half into 4 into 4, that is 8 units, square units rather. So the answer is option C, 8. So I hope that was understood. This is a pretty simple question if you know it. It will take a bit of time if you're not aware of these kind of things. But if you are, this is a very basic question, so it should take 1 minute or up to 1.5 minutes. Ideally, with the preparation that you will have when you are sitting for CAT, this should not take too much of time. In our classes, we have detailed a lot of these kind of examples with the basic idea only. We don't overcomplicate with too much of transposition and everything. Those kind of ideas is not relevant from CAT point of view. So just the basic idea, the symmetric nature, if you understand that, these kind of questions are very easy to solve. So that's it for this question. I hope that was understood. Thank you.